The Mafia. A syndicate of crime families. Symbols...
That time.
Take him out! In the air! Get through one guy!
Wow, Hammerhead's guys seem to have unreasonable self-confidence.
Officers are in pursuit of a vehicle with suspected Mafia connections. Report came in near Gracie Mansion. Over.
What's the matter? Hammerhead doesn't offer driver's ed?
Hey, Spider-Man, leave this to the professionals.
Here's your stuff. Whew, I love that mob life. Fast cars, flying bullets, and federal prison time.
I finally decrypted that laptop. You know that room-sized vault you were talking about? I found a record of it being delivered to a shipyard near Hell's Kitchen.
That's gotta be where the boy is. Thanks, MJ. Better call Felicia.
At this hour, it's either a booty call, or you found something.
Hopefully your son. I'm sending you an address. Meet me there. I think I'm close to one of those stolen paintings. The loot must be in here. Another painting. Found another painting, Detective. Hardy sure found some clever hiding places.
He was one hell of a second-story man.
Obviously. So how'd you catch him?
I'd like to say solid police work, but the more I look at it, the more I think he let himself get caught.
To get away from the Mafia? He must have known they could get to him in prison.
Sure, but the best way to protect his daughter was to take himself off the board.
And it ended up being more permanent than he planned. MJ nailed it. This place is isolated. They could keep the kid here for weeks without anyone noticing.
This is the place. I know it.
If they spot us, it's over. We need to take them all out. Like we used to. Quiet as a cat.
Sneaky as a spider.
If they spot us, they might kill your son. We have to do this quietly.
Word just came down from the
A lot of guys guarding this place. This won't be easy.
A cat, pigeons, anything.
My pleasure. Nobody's messing with us tonight.
Damn right.
What the?
Sleep it off.
How about that guy? Nighty-night.
Another one down.
We should team up more often. Split those guys up. Okay.
No, I need back.
Good one. Let's keep it going.
Need a hand here. Guys, over here.
Fetch.
Sounds like the boss is worried about getting ripped off. Who do you think is stupid enough to steal from the boss? Cat?
Dunno. I never thought it was a good idea to hire her.
Hey,
Looks like about 9 guys left.
One per life. Let's not mess this up. Going in.
Hey, get over here! Backup's here. Somebody give me a hand. Damn these new shoes. Hey, who's there?
Not yet. Bad luck for
Literally didn't
you.
see that coming. Good job.
We make a good team, don't we?
Guys, over here!
I might be able to split them up.
What was that?
I'm on him. Just a few left.
Okay.
Patience, Spider. Got him.
Nice one.
Two of them and two of us.
Somebody...
This guy, still using that technique? On it. That's all of them.
Lots of places to hide a vault around here.
You check the shipping containers while I check in that building over there.
Felicia,
What?
I'm sorry Hammerhead did this to you.
Yeah, well... he's about to find out. You mess with the cat? You get the claws.
Should check out those shipping containers. Just a bunch of boxes. Better keep looking. Building supplies. And no kid. Pianos. That's random. But no kid. On to the next one. Gotta be more containers with vents around here. Some of the containers have air vents. Should check them out. Sable International. What is this stuff? Whoa. Hammerhead's got Sable weapons. I wonder what else he has. Well, that answers that question.
Spider-Man! Shoot him!
Hammerhead thugs and Sable weapons. It's the perfect mashup I never asked for. Felicia, where are you? Another Sable APC. Wondered where all those went. Felicia, are you hurt? APCs? Rocket launchers? Miniguns? What did you guys not steal from Sable? Whoa, that was close. Damn. Gotta clear these guys out and find Felicia. Are you guys sure you know how to use those weapons? Okay, looks like you do.
I'll break your friggin' jaw! What the hell? Bring it down! Watch his head!
And that's it. Gonna be sore tomorrow. Okay, time to find Felicia. She said she was heading into that building. Felicia? The vault. Felicia. No, you gotta be kidding me! Tell me you weren't just stringing me along!
Sorry, sweetie. But I needed help to pull off a job this big.
All you ever wanted was Hammerhead's drive.
The entire wealth of the Magia. In the palm of my hand.
You gave Hammerhead fake drives?
You think he's gonna be mad at me?
So, the kidnapping? Your son? That was all just a lie?
Lie is such an ugly word. I prefer misdirection.
Do the right thing. Take the drives to the police.
Hey, I earned these. Besides, Hammerhead's on a mission and nothing is gonna stop him. If anything, I just help slow him down a bit.
They cleaned out the whole yard! Check the vault!
Time to go. I'll raise a glass to you on the Riviera.
Felicia!
Boss, we're in.
And?
Drive's gone.
New plan. There's a tracker on that drive. Find her and kill her. And if she's dumb enough to go to her little penthouse, I've got a crew waiting there to send it sky high.
What about the drives?
I don't care about the drives. I just want her dead.
Got it. We'll find her.
If there's a tracker on that drive, Felicia's in trouble. Gotta get to her, fast.
Miss me already?
Hammerhead knows where you are, and he's going to kill you. There's a tracker on his drive.
I don't get you, Spider. I just conned the hell out of you, and here you are trying to save me. How can you be so damn nice all the time?
It's not about being nice. It's about doing the right thing. You've got so many talents. I wish you'd use them to help someone other than yourself.
Yeah, well, you should know by now. That's not how I roll.
People can change, Felicia.
Love you, Spider. I'll miss you.
Wait, your penthouse! He's rigged it to explode!
Don't worry. I've still got all 9 lives left.
Damn it! Hang on, Felicia. I'm coming. Gotta move. Come on! Hold on, Felicia. Felicia!
Wow. And they still haven't found a body?
No.
Do you think she survived?
I don't know. I mean, anything's possible, but...
So, how's it feel to not be a dad? No, I'm serious.
Honestly, I'm kind of relieved. Yeah, I've got a lot going on, you know.
Yeah, you do. But I think you're gonna be an amazing dad someday. At the right time.
With the right person.